Can you believe all of the things that are going on at Getchell right now? Well, you won't believe it, so stay tuned. Hey Chargers, Charger families and community, it's Richard Zimmerman, the principal at Marysville Getchell High School, here with another quick charge. We are filming this at the site of the Mariner Getchell football game here down at Mariner High School. And as you can kind of tell from the scoreboard behind me, it's been kind of a blowout. It's been really, really fun. All the fans are having a fantastic time. The team is playing great. Cheerleaders are cheering. And the fans are really supportive of our team. It's been a really, really nice evening. And it's also been a really fantastic week here at Getchell. It's been a busy week. We had our Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly this past Wednesday. We've had volleyball, and now tonight we have our football game. It's been really, really busy, and it's going to continue to be like that. It's been a really good start of the school year. I keep saying that, but it's so true. And also, we do have some events coming up. The big event that we have coming up is homecoming. We've got the game coming up. We also have the dance, and believe it or not, everybody is invited to attend. All Getchell students can attend. That's freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors. So please, please buy your ticket. If you're going to be bringing someone from another school, be sure to pick up that guest pass, get that turned in so you can get that ticket before the deadline. Also, I have been so encouraged by our students at the start of this school year. So please remember, be kind to one another. Be ready to help one another. And if we continue to do that, Getchell will continue to be the fantastic school that it is. I'm so proud of everyone. So enjoy the video, and of course, make every day a great day the Charger way.
Okay?